Good morning, Spike Dog family. And afternoon, everybody. I got a package from the CVS store to me. I forgot what I ordered. So, here you go, Papa. Have a nice headband. Oh my gosh. It's the new Apple Watch, I believe. It says Apple Watch. Series 7. Red aluminum. Ooh, that was really cool. I love how Apple cases their stuff. Ooh. Product red. I like it that says product red on it. There you go. I like that they have these easy tear strips too. They're very nice. Very useful.
Are you paying attention, Dad, or you're on your phone?
Dad, I'm unboxing my watch.
Whoa, my watch.
Come on!
Don't change your mind for it.
No, don't touch my watch.
I'll give you $10, Katie.
No, Dad. No, Dad.
11?
Come on. There we go. There we go. Ah!
You want to start an auction? What?
Yay, there it is. Ooh, it comes in a nice little leather case. The Momo's favorite thing. Another cable that comes with it. All right, let's slip this puppy out of here.
Does it have a little...
Look at that. That's very pretty. Now, aren't we going to have to get a protection case for this?
Yes, you are.
That's
I
very
don't have one of
pretty.
mine come off. See, I don't have one of mine either.
That's very pretty.
You know what it is?
That's
What?
permission. Watch goes there. I'm going to keep this because that's nice. Cable and the band.
Let's hope this band fits.
Yeah, because it should have came with the
Measure.
right size. Let me look at this.
Try it on.
Braided loop. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do.
I don't think you need to take that to get it out, do you?
Yes. That's the easy tear strip. There you go, Papa. Have a nice mustache. Red braided loop. All right. So much.
Katie, you really shouldn't have gone and got that for me. You
Dad, you get my Series 1. Be lucky you're even going to be able to try to use it. You're not going to be able to use it. He's not going to know how to use it. I guarantee you.
It's
should.
right there.
Thanks for the vote of
Oh,
confidence.
there it is. Apple Watch.
Looks good and small.
It does.
Did you
So,
order different
Mm-hmm.
links on?
Yeah. 1 second.
let me see. Okay. This one looks like they did measure it. So yeah, that's gonna be it. This is the measurement. I think there's another one in here or something. We'll feel that. What's in there? We'll feel that. What is that? Just the
Just
box?
packing.
Oh, just packing? Okay. So yeah, that's my size, man.
That looks perfect for me.
And there it is. Yeah, they got my size.
No, don't push it all the way up there. You don't wear it all the way up there.
Well, how am I gonna wear my Fitbit then? My Fitbit goes first.
You don't wear them the same day.
Well, I'm a little different, so now I just gotta charge it. Thank you for watching. Bye.